I got some almond ricotta stuffed tortellini and I decided to make this absolutely fantastic creamy tortellini soup. Keep watching to find out my secrets to making the most delicious ever tortellini soup. First, get all of your spices and herbs out, chop up all of the aromatics, get your protein out, which could be anything from vegan sausage, some chickpeas, lentils, some chopped walnuts or pecans, or some tofu. Just get any of these or a combination of these. I'm just gonna chop all of these up into a coarse mixture all together. We're gonna infuse them with a ton of flavors. Secret number one is this sausagey spice mix. We're gonna take some smoked paprika, fennel seeds, garlic powder, black pepper, oregano, and some pepper flakes. Put them in a mortar and pestle and grind until it is a coarse mixture. If you don't have a mortar and pestle, you can just put it in a spice grinder or a coffee grinder and pulse it a couple of times so that it becomes a coarse mixture. Heat up a saucepan or a large deep skillet over medium heat and add some olive oil. Once the oil is hot, add in the minced garlic and your protein. Cook for about a minute or so. Then add in 3/4 of the spice mixture that you made earlier. Add in your chopped onion, carrots, and celery and half of the salt and cook until the onions turn translucent and the carrots are kind of halfway done. Deglaze with a little bit of water or stock in between if needed. Now add the flour and mix into the aromatics. Then add in your tomato puree. Now we're gonna cook this tomato sauce until it kind of gets roasted, giving a nice deeper flavor to the soup. Then add in your stock. Once the mixture is boiling evenly, add in your tortellini, some Italian herb blend. Cook them for about 3 to 4 minutes until they're tender. Then add half a cup of water or stock to reduce the temperature of the soup so that the non-dairy cream or the non-dairy yogurt that you're adding doesn't clump up or separate. I use a combination of non-dairy yogurt and some vegan cream cheese. You can use just one of those or a combination. Fold in some greens, bring the mixture to a boil. Garnish with some vegan parmesan and fresh basil leaves and your tortellini soup is ready to serve. It's absolutely delicious, it's creamy, it's hearty, it's comforting. Ladle the soup into bowls, top with some fresh herbs, and also use some of that sausagey spice mix as the finishing spice for this amazingly delicious tortellini soup. Enjoy it with some croutons or with some garlic bread or as is. If you tried this tortellini soup, do let me know in the comments how you liked it. Don't forget to review it on the website as well. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.